Okay, question number 33, which is from digital logic. I am reading out this question for you. Please note that question down, and after that we will solve. Consider the 8 unsigned 8-bit fixed point binary number representation below, B7 to B0, where the position of binary point is between B2, B3 and B2. So the point is given here. Okay, so this is after point, before point, and this is after point. Okay, assume B7 is the most significant bit. B7 is the most significant bit. Some of the decimal number listed below cannot be represented exactly in the above representation. So they have given phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, and they want to know which of the numbers cannot be represented by this format. Okay, so this is actually a very easy question. Just we have to convert the numbers. Okay, so I am solving this question here. So if you convert 31.5, you will get the binary representation of this is this. So 5 bit before point, after point 3 bit. So it is matching with the format given, 5 bit before point, 3 bit after point. And this, so this is also 5 bit, we can take 0, 5 bit, and after that 111. Okay, now 12.10. So if you get the binary representation of 12, you will get 1100. Okay, so after 4 bit only you have to stop. You cannot add 0 before this point. So you will get 4 digit. After that you have to put the point. So this cannot be represented by the above format. For this also, for getting 3, you have to put point only after 2 bit. So this is also cannot be represented by the given format. Okay, and one question may arise in your mind, why we are not writing 3 like 30 after that 1. No, we cannot write, because in the question it is mentioned that B7 is the significant bit. So we cannot take 0 as B7, because if we take B7 as 0, it will not be significant bit. B6 will be the significant bit. So according to the question, these two numbers we cannot represent it in the given format. So I think the answer will be C. Only 3 and 4 cannot be represented by the format. Okay, thank you.